Hello and welcome. This is Sohaib here, and in this video we are going to be discussing the new launch by DAMAC with the name of DAMAC Islands Phase 2, where we are getting 4 and 5 bedroom townhouses specifically. Like previous year, if we talk about Phase 1, which was a huge success, we are talking about 3,000 units that were sold out in a day. Like the sales volume was around 9 billion dirhams, which is a huge success for a developer like DAMAC. But in this video, I'll be just discussing the location, and we'll take the reference point like downtown Burj Khalifa or even the airports, like at how much distance you are from the community, and also we will be discussing the layouts as well in detail. Talking about the exact location for DAMAC Island Phase 2, it is located on E611. We call it Emirates Road as well, and most of the communities are on this highway. It is a signal free highway and it is one of the major highways of Dubai, which connects almost all of the 7 Emirates. So onto the neighborhood, if we see that we have ready communities as well. This is Cherrywood by Miras, which is a developed community, and the prices here are above 4 million right now. But this is a developed community we are talking about, and a well reputed developer as well. Then we have Town Square here. Then we have communities by Emaar. Like most of the communities are on Emirates Road, just because you cannot get that much of a space within the city, so definitely you need to move out. We are talking about 30 million square feet of a community, so definitely you need to move out of the city. Even like DAMAC Hills 2, even if we're talking about DAMAC Hills 2, just let me show. This is DAMAC Hills 2, which is pretty far. It seems to be pretty much far, but it is pretty much a live community. I'm also going to be attaching the actual pictures and videos of the community. Like you get it is 55 million square feet community. You are getting lazy river, you are getting lagoons, you are getting shopping malls, and all of the amenities are pretty much operational in DAMAC Hills 2. So even though it seems to be a bit far, but it is not actually. Then like if we talk about major communities on E611, we have Arabian Ranches right here. Then we have new projects coming by Miras, Acres by Miras. Then we have new projects by Aldar as well. And we are talking about villas and like townhouses community specifically. And E611 also connects you through Sharjah as well. And we were having new community in Sharjah as well, named as Masar by Arada, which has also been a huge success. Like townhouses and villas are always in demand, and in terms of community, if we look with the big developers like Arada or developers like Miras or even this DAMAC and Emaar, definitely these communities sells out pretty much quickly. Other than this, if we talk about the brand value and what type of communities DAMAC has already delivered, we are talking about DAMAC Hills 1. It is right next to your Emirates Road as well. It connects you through the Hessa Street. And then if we see right next to Hessa Street, onto the other side, we have DAMAC Lagoons, which is a pretty much huge success for DAMAC. Like it was launched in 2021 with the starting price was around 1.7, 1.8 million dirhams, and now it is selling above 3 million right now, just because it is getting ready, and most of the like first clusters are to be handed over in this year, and by the end of this year in 2025, almost all of the community will be handed over. Then we have a new project by DAMAC named as DAMAC Hills 2. This is like 55 million square feet of a community we have already talked about. Then we have another project named as DAMAC Riverside, where we are having townhouses and apartments as well. And you might have heard of the ad saying 0.25% monthly. So this is the same DAMAC Riverside. It is also on Emirates Road. So in terms of communities and in terms of brand value and worth of the developer, like DAMAC has already delivered multiple communities. DAMAC Hills 1, DAMAC Hills 2, DAMAC Lagoons, Riverside. All of these communities are pretty much in demand. I haven't mentioned yet DAMAC Sun City. There it is, right? This plot is for DAMAC Sun City. Even though like DAMAC is working on 5 to 6 communities right now, and villas and townhouses are always in demand as compared to the apartments. Like even if we can say in downtown or Business Bay, you are getting an apartment, 2 or 3 bedroom apartment, but people prefer it to have their private land, to have their private parking and private space. So people prefer to be a bit far from the city, but not that much far. We're talking about a distance of 20 to 25 minutes of a drive. Even if we compare the exact distances, like the new airport or even the old airport, this is your old airport, DXB airport. This is like you are around, here's your community. So you get through this Emirates Road and you are about like 30 minutes of a drive from the airport, from the old airport. But as this airport is going to shift to Al Maktoum International Airport, which is, here is a plot for Al Maktoum. This is going to be the world's biggest airport we are talking about. So it is also on Emirates Road. So the connectivity for DAMAC Island, you are connected through Emirates Road, and here you have the exit. You are going to be around like 15 to 20 minutes of a drive. Just because this community is also going to be ready by 2029. Like phase 1 was to be handed over in Q4 of 2028, but we're talking about phase 2 right now, which is going to be handed over in 2029, but it hasn't been officially revealed yet. I'm also going to be discussing the layouts and the design for 4 and 5 bedroom townhouses as well. If you see the layout of the community, you are getting 6 clusters of island like named as Fiji, Bora Bora, then you have Maldives, Seychelles, and Hawaii as well. Like all of these islands are pretty much centered around a lagoon, as the society claims it to be. You are in an island state of mind, so you get a river along running here, and then you have most of the amenities will also be water facing, and you are getting pretty much beach facing amenities. And if we talk about amenities, we all know like DAMAC offers pretty much high end of amenities, even if we have seen it before in DAMAC Hills 2, in DAMAC Hills 1 as well. Like that type of amenities, like most developers or even I can't think of it. Talking about Central Hub Fountain, you are getting Aquadome, you are getting water platforms, you are getting lagoon waterfalls, mini golf course island, then you have aqua park, zip line, you have jungle swings and fitness park. So you name it, like the MAC is pretty much loaded with amenities in all of their communities. So this is your Emirates Road, which runs right along with it. So this is the master plan of the community. Like for phase 2, we haven't received the official master plan, but still we are talking about a community of 30 million square feet, where for now we are getting just 4 and 5 bedroom townhouses, and 4 bedroom townhouses are going to be starting from 2.6 2.7 million dirhams. And the sizes, if we compare it with the previous launch, which was for a 4 bedroom was around 2200 square feet, and 5 bedroom townhouse was starting from around like 3100 dirhams, 3100 square feet. And the prices right now, we're talking about like 1 year of a gap. So it is going to be starting from 3.6 3.7 million dirhams for a 5 bedroom townhouse, and 4 bedroom townhouse will be starting from around 2.7 million dirhams. We are in EOI phase right now. Like the MAC is in pretty much in demand. We have seen it before, like 3000 units were sold out in a day. So for now we are in EOI phase, and most of the people have already submitted their EOIs, and those people which haven't received units in the previous launch are definitely on priority list right now. So for 4 bedroom townhouses, EOI amount is going to be 110,000, and for a 5 bedroom townhouse, your EOI amount is going to be 150,000 dirhams. Even if you talk about the booking process and the payment plan, it goes like standard payment plan for the MAC, which is 60-40. 20% you are paying as a down payment, 4% will be your land department fees, 40% you have to pay during construction, and the remaining 40% at the time of handover. Even though like the remaining 40% you can flip the property as it is ready, or even you can rent it out, or even we can go for the mortgage as well. So in terms of demand, definitely villas and townhouses are more in demand, and if it comes from a reputed developer like DAMAC, who has a history of delivering communities, I have already named it all of the community. So definitely I do think so this is a pretty much good option to go with. Just send me a WhatsApp, I'm always up. If you need to ask anything about DAMAC or even any of the communities, just let me know. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.